Bro, your photographs are superb. Must be a very expensive camera, no? Yeah. Because obviously the camera wakes up early, finds a light, composes the frame, presses itself. Now, by that logic, if I hand him over a Formula One car, he must drive like Michael Schumacher. But jokes apart, equipment matters, but it's only an instrument. The mastery lies in the understanding. Light, exposure, composition, focus, timing, intent. When your foundation is strong, any camera becomes powerful in your hands. So, if you're ready to move beyond the auto mode, I invite you to join my beginner's photography masterclass.